everyone. So today we are going to see what Java variables are. So variable is a container which holds the value while the Java program is executed. So as you can see here, we have a variable named as data and it's holding a value 50. So here the data is also assigned a data type. The data type here is int. So basically this variable is a memory location. So 50 is stored as a memory location. Okay, and we are like using this particular data to contain this value and to name that particular memory location. So here the data type is integer, so we can have various kinds of data types like string, you can have your float, etc. So this int is a primitive data type and there are various non-primitive data types which we will see later on. So basically name of a reserved area location is a variable. So as I said before, there is some memory location that is reserved and we are just naming that with the help of a variable. Now variable means something that can vary, which is variable. So why we are calling it as variable? Because this particular container can contain any value. The value of that container can change. Okay. So there are three types of variables in Java: local, instance, and static variables. So we will see each of them one by one. So local variable is a variable which is defined inside a method. So here you can see we have a class A and we have a method named as method. We have a variable here which is 90 and which is n and it holds value 90. Okay. And now this method is having this variable and therefore this is a local variable. So this variable is created when the method is executed and it's created inside a stack. So that is a local variable and the local variable is particular to that particular method only. So other method cannot access that particular local variable in this method. Okay. So the next variable that we'll see is an instance variable. So instance variable, as the name suggests, belongs to an instance, that is an object. So here you can see we have a class and we have a variable named as m and it is assigned a value as 100. And we have a method. Don't look at this right now. So when we create a new object, a1 is equal to new a, an object is created and in that particular object we have a in the object we have a variable m created for this a1 object. When we create a2 object, again this variable is created with the value 100 in the memory. So instance object, that is it belongs to an instance. Every time you create an instance, this variable will belong in that instance. It will be created inside that instance. So it cannot be declared as static. Instance variable cannot be declared as static. We will see why. To see why, we will look at what static variable is. So static variable is created inside a class, but it is assigned a keyword named as static. So when you create a new object, a1 is equal to new a, at that time, this particular variable, when you load the class, actually, the variable is created inside the heap. Okay. And when you create a new object of a particular class, you use the same variable that is created in the heap, that is m. So for every new object that is created for a class, that same heap variable that was created when the class was loaded is used. So you can create a single copy of a static variable and can be shared among all the instances of a class. So memory allocation for static variable happens only once when the class is loaded. So it cannot be local variable. Okay. Static variable cannot be local variable. So these are the three types of variables in Java. So if you like the video, please click the like button, share the video and write in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.